What's up, guys? Welcome back to Personal Kicks, and today we will be unboxing a pair of Adidas sneakers for running, but also you can wear it casually. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. But first of all, let's take a quick look at the box. And plastic waste initiative by Adidas, and they have that information on the side as well. As you can see, today we will be unboxing the Falcon 2.0, and as you can see on the label on the side, it's a size 47. Sorry, the box came, dense with the other stuff like the Reebok that I recently unboxed. I'll leave a video in the description. The box were mashed up, but anyway. So please subscribe to our channel, comment and like what you think about these, and also follow us on social media. You can check us out on Instagram, it's Personal Kicks. So yeah, now here we are. This is the shoe. The whole upper is covered in mesh material, and at the heel you have the Adidas logo on top of the heel over there. I like the cushion. The midsole is really bouncy, it's very comfortable, and they have some enforcement going on at the back here for comfort and also stability when you are running. The inside is also padded very well. The cushion on the the lining or something, sorry, the color, it's very padded very nicely. On the side we have the Adidas 3 stripes on the side, on both sides of the shoe actually, on the outside, on the inside, and it's really nice shoe for running, very comfortable. Let's take a look at the tongue. Adidas branding on the tongue, whole thing in mesh material, size label on the inside. Really cool laces. I think these are the same laces they use on the Adidas Gazelles. Very slim, but the quality is really good. On the insole, can you take that? No, I don't think you can take them out. It's glued in, but you can see Adidas stamped on the insole as well. A really cool thing. I like the fact that they have Adidas on the tongue and the heel as well, and also at the front of the toe. I like this kind of stuff, the little details. It means a lot to me. Now let's take a look at the outsole. No marking. I'm going to do more search about when a shoe says the outsole is no marking, because I have the Reebok question and it also says no marking, so I really don't understand what that means, but I'm gonna take a look, and I hope what I'm thinking the no marking means is correct. If that's correct, then it's a really cool thing. But yeah, traction really good, you can see that. Adidas branding on the outsole as well. The midsole is really good, bouncy, nice feature. I don't know if you can see this, but so a quick look at the other one as well. It's the same thing, just that this has the tag hanging on it. So there you have it, the Adidas Falcon 2.0. Really cool sneaker. These will be available on our Instagram page. Be sure to check them out and send us a DM if you are interested. These are originals, okay? We don't sell fakes. So guys, thanks for watching. I had to take this video quickly. So yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you comment and like, and yeah, see you in the next one.